My sister just had a baby boy. Welcome back to the DIY Nanny channel. Today I'll be making a felt mobile for the little baby.
Well, this is quite an occasion. Yes, sir. It isn't every day a prince is born.
So my sister had a little baby boy and I got her this cute baby nest from baby Zula. I love this animal print so much, so I decided to make a matching mobile. I got some felt that matched the colors at Michael's and started to work. I found a picture of the fabric online and cut out the animals I wanted to make. Then I uploaded them to the Cricut design space as a basic cut. I started with the elephant, adjusting the size and duplicating it. I did flip the picture because it was my first time using felt in my Cricut Maker and I didn't know if the felt will be sticky on one side. I can tell you now it wasn't, so there's no need to flip the picture. Then using a circle that I cut in half, I made the elephant ears. Now you can see here that I made 4 duplicate from the ears. I don't know why, but in my mind I kind of thought, oh, I see 2 elephants, so I need 4 ears, 2 for each. But obviously it's gonna be sewn together to 1 elephant, so you only need 2. Then I just send it to the Cricut Maker. I went on to make the rest of my animals, keeping all of them on the canvas to make sure they are the right size. Now that my animals are all ready, I picked some embroidery thread in matching colors to make the little details. Starting with the elephant, I'm making the eyes and then connecting the ears, making sure to leave one of the threads long enough for hanging. Now I thought I would try and sew it on my sewing machine to make things faster, and I regretted it almost immediately. It's just that there are small parts and it's very hard, for me at least, to be precise with the machine. Also, when you sew it by hand, you can feel it as you go, and that way it's easier to get to all the small parts. As you can see here, it's a bit of a struggle to push the filling into the legs, so I decided with the next ones I'm going to just sew it by hand. Okay, so my animals are all done and I'll be using the inside of this 8-inch hoop to put this mobile together. I marked 4 spots on the hoop and using a glue gun I'm connecting the animals to it. I decided to add some leaves to the hoop, like a little leaf crown, so I'm using some felt I have that match the colors of the animals. In the Cricut design space, I'll be using one leaf shape that is on the baby nest and 2 other leaves from the images they have in it. I made 6 of each shape, and after deciding where to put them, I used a glue gun to stick them to the hoop. And there it is, my cute little animal mobile is ready. So I went to Target the other day and I found some cute animal print baby clothes that look almost like the animals on the nest. Obviously I had to get it, and it definitely completed my gift. And that's it, my little basket gift is ready. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.